Hello everyone, I am going to start in my YouTube channel Educational Star with speaking practice, especially in IELTS practice in part 1 or Q cards. So today I am going to start my first topic, that is very common topic, hometown. If you like my video, please subscribe and like.
I'm going to start from these questions. First, I explain here. First, cue card. Describe your hometown. You should say describe the place. What is special about it? Compare it to other cities in the world. Special about it means your interesting things and popular things of your town. Compare it means comparison with other places. What is your hometown? Where is your hometown located? Is it easy to travel around your hometown? What is it known for? Means known for interesting and popular things about your town. What do people in your town means their earning source like agriculture, business, shops and service sector. In what ways can you improve your hometown means their requirement for future. What is main reason for liking hometown other than the fact you were born there means here you will explain about why you like your town, why are you interested in your town. Next, most people in this world do live in their hometown. Why? Means they do not live in their hometown because of work, education, and other factors. Is it a big city or small town? Means geographical wise and their population wise, size and area. What do you like about your town? Same like and why you like. Is there anything you dislike about? Next, here I paste up town pic. It is helpful for imagination. You can see here greenery, buildings and roads and some two-story building and many houses. It is look like small town. It has both housing and as well as natural surrounding. My first point is I live in ABC, your town name. Next, it is part of northern India, state Uttarakhand. I took Uttarakhand, that is why I explain here northern side. You can explain according to your state, southern, center, east or west. It is small town surrounded by lush greenery and full of natural resources. You can explain here like forest and river and other natural resources. It has all necessary facilities for survival such as health center, education, banking, investment and employment. These are basic needs and it is useful for everyone and it is essential for survival. It has cultural diversity because of people come from different places, nearby states and local areas. That is why diversity occur. Their earning source are primary, secondary and tertiary sector means their work, primary agriculture, mining, fishing, livestock. Secondary, shops, business and malls. Tertiary sector means services, all type of. Their citizens are religious, thus we can see different religious places and enjoy various festival. Whole the year we can see festival effect on market. All shops are decorated according to particular festival. Thus I find it is fascinating place to live. Here I explain about why he or she like their town and their popular thing, interesting thing about their town. You can explain here any effective fact which you think it is well known and it is good thing about your town. It is quite close to many popular places like Jim National Park and Nainital and other places. You can explain here any popular tourist place of your town and your surrounding. There are well transportation system, private and public. It is situated on national highway, thus there is no problem traveling one place to another place. Means here you can explain about transportation condition like infrastructure and road, trains, buses and airport. Anything you explain about survival. It is well known for an old church which is more than 80-year old. Its architecture design is traditional. It is heritage for all locals. It is different from other places because of peaceful surrounding and less poverty level. You can explain here about other things, other interesting things like forestry, plantation and well wastage management and other good things about your town. Most of people belongs to middle class and upper class, thus poverty level is less. There are breathtaking views of mountains because it is bit close to hill station. I feel that it is interesting place to live and these reasons make it different from other places. Here I explain why he and she like and what is interesting thing about this place. You can explain according to your place. There are some problem occurring in recent 5 years. Many people settle down there for nearby states. The population and pollution, crime increasing day by day. Here you explain about problems and some issues you observe in recent period or you find problem in these things. I observe that these problems can be mitigated through enforced restriction on new construction sites, property buying and selling activities, better wastage management and strict legal action. Here I explain about how to reduce these problem. It is very common question. First examiner asking about your town problem, then how to solve. I explain here why these line. Their weather is also pleasant, all season I enjoyed. Means here I explain about raining, summer, winter, autumn season, weather, climate. Why you like your place? Because of weather, because of season. Next is their most of building are 2 or 3 stories. Their building structure is vertical. Here I explain about means housing design. It is also a question in part 1 where you live, building structure and explain about your apartment or your home. Then you will explain like I live in two-story building, I live in apartment, I live in small house. It's your wish according to explain your. Thank you everyone. As you see, all sentences is present tense, and here person explain about current living place or their hometown. And in this video I explain about a person live in small town. In next video I will explain about how explain if person live in village or metro city. Thank you once again.